the guy that was picking up the trash was interested in looking at the old car that I have on the side of the house. So we decided to play with that for a second. But back to what I was saying. We are in the backyard. This is the back door that goes into the yard to the kitchen. Our washer and dryer. Pretty sure neither of those work. The dryer definitely doesn't. But I don't know anything about the water heater. It may be okay. I don't know. Actually, it's okay. We still have warm water. One of Elodie's toy boxes. We're gonna see if it's salvageable. But it's kind of just a pan of the backyard. But like I was saying, Elodie's big ass playset seems to be just fine. This shed was never okay. This wasn't just the storm. It came with the house. On this side, we cleaned it out and used it as kind of like an extra sitting area, man cave type thing. But I've been more concerned with the house and haven't really cared about the camping gear and the stuff that we had back here. But out of all that water, this mini fridge that I found on the road still works. Pretty surprised. And then on the more shady side is just the lawnmower, and there was a piece of sheetrock that I had while we were doing a patch job in Elodie's closet from forever ago. I haven't touched the lawnmower either. I could probably just drain it and everything would be good. This side looks more like a rake den, but that's okay. And that's really everything with the house. I need to get outside and either rinse off or borrow a pressure washer and clean everything. But I'll probably forget and not do that for a while. But this is my house. And really, at this point, I thought to myself, I'll do one last walkthrough and not say anything. I'm just procrastinating, because I don't want to work on it. Oh yeah, I've got this boat. It was given to me, and I really like it. I just never have the chance to pull it because I don't own a truck. And somebody that does own a truck should definitely take out the boat with me. It runs, and it's legal. It's not insured, but yeah. Our driveway still has a bunch of stuff that isn't ours in it. Okay. I should probably start working on this stuff. Bye.